Good morning, everyone. You join us as we depart from our campsite. Address below, details from the start of our journey below. We are heading to the northernmost tip of the southwest of France. We're going to see our delightful friends there. You're right. We're going to go have lunch with them, which is really exciting. 1 hour away. We're going to be 10 minutes late. Hopefully we can make that up. Now, this is the way we went on the way here. This is a really pretty bridge. You may recognise from last week's video the area we're about to come to. This is where we walked last night. If you want to see the campsite from last week or last night, go and check out last week's video. €10 for the night, amazing. That came with power, showers, toilets, all the facilities you could ever want. Best part was the location. 100% I'd go back there. Would you go back to that campsite, Eva?
No.
No? Why not? Yeah, silly Eva. It was good, wasn't it? We had a good time. What was your favourite bit about that campsite?
Talking to Lisa at bedtime. I like that with us.
That's a good answer. Chateau and the rivers. Yeah, like I said, definitely go back there. Really good. Sat-nav just said route to Cofalones. Don't think it's Cofalones. 15 minutes away, 64 kilometres, and we are due at our destination at 11:11 AM, not PM. Stunning views, you can see in my window here. Gorgeous. Up until a point last year, we were really on point with watching other people's YouTube videos. We were up to date, it was all going very well. But this year, and actually the end of last year, I got really busy with work, and Jaynie got busy with work, and then we started working at different times. We could be like 2 or 3 weeks behind some people's. So what we saw Rob doing last, could have knocked the whole house down by now. Could have rebuilt it. He might have dug a swimming pool. I don't know. Right, so far we've seen pigs, sheep, cows. What? We did? Saw pigs on my side. You've seen sheep, and we saw cows earlier.
No, does it on my side?
It was on your side, so you're saying you saw the cows or the sheep?
No, the sheep on my side, I think the cow on your side.
See, sorry everyone. Eva saw some of those things, not just me. Right, we're moving again.
We're moving.
Where are we going, Eva?
In 200 metres, turn left onto Rue
Are you excited? Forever? You want to live with them?
Yeah.
Well, tell them then. Say, I want to live with you, Rob and Lisa. This road is very bumpy. Eva, so you say you want to live with Rob and Lisa? Yeah. Where would you sleep?
Angel bed.
Angel's bed? What about Angel?
How will you
What?
you guys will you can
Oh, so what? Well, you'll do head and you do head at each end. Yeah. I see. I think you'd have to ask her. You can't just make that decision by yourself. What if she doesn't want to? We just quickly pulled over for a quick toy swap. Eva wanted some blocks. Eva, show everyone what you got. And now we're ready to go. ETA is 11:13 now. We're a bit slower than planned. It's going to take us 24 minutes. I'm sure we won't get in trouble for being a tiny bit late, hopefully. Now the weather here today is perfect. I don't know what else you could want. We've got sun, it's warm, there's no wind, there's no snow or rain. It's everything. This is perfect. I don't know what the plan is for today. I don't know what's going to happen, but I know we're going to go and have a roast dinner. What we do either side of that will be a surprise to me as well. So just don't despair, because you can experience what we experience as we experience it. We're all very hungry, very hungry. The kids have had breakfast, but I seem to sort of skip that somehow. So I'm ravenous. So over the next few days we head further south. We've got 5 days, 6 days to get down to Toulouse, so we're not rushing. Once we leave here, we've got a few places we want to go to, but we're going to have a nice relaxed time over the next 5 or 6 days, which is exciting. It's been a bit of a rush to get down here, mainly because we don't want to be in the north of France, we want to be in the south of France. Specifically today, the northernmost tip of the southwest of France, which is where we're going to go today. So I think we can safely say we are probably now in the northernmost tip of the southwest of France, 8.1 kilometres, and still due there at 12 minutes past 11. Really grateful to be able to come here. Don't say it enough. We're so lucky to be in the position we are, having this motorhome and having the time between work to disappear for a bit and explore. Most importantly, you guys for watching our videos, which helps us to make these trips possible. Really value all of your support, thank you. So at the end of this trip, you will have the opportunity to carry on with the next series. The next series will be me and Jaynie going to Morocco, which is really exciting. We're going to be going by ourselves, well, together, without the kids, not by ourselves, as in on our own. It's me and Jaynie. We'll be travelling out to Morocco, hiring a car, and we'll be exploring for 7 days, I think, 7 days, which is really exciting. And then beyond that, we'll be back in France. Quite close now, we're 6 minutes away. Just seen some people in the fields wearing orange with some kind of black camouflage over the top. And I believe they are hunting, and there's more cows in the field, he was just pointed out. So we are 1 minute away now. I think we can officially say we are in the northernmost tip of the southwest of France. I wonder if there should be a plaque on the outside of our house, one of those blue circular plaques, like a place of interest. I'm sure this would be the northernmost tip of the southwest of France. We've arrived, everyone. We have arrived.
Oh, you brought onion rings.
That's a lot of work. Right, everyone, we've now left Rob and Lisa's house, and that's quite sad. We've had a lovely time. Have we had a good time, Eva? No. What you mean is yes, you had a great time. You were doing so much playing with everyone, actually, weren't you? You had a good time. It's sad to leave, but if we don't leave, we can't come back. Well, we don't know if we'll be invited back, actually. I don't know, it's a good question. Do you think you'd be invited back? Yeah, she says yeah. Well, hopefully that would be nice. It's nice to see friends, isn't it, Eva? Yeah, she says. So we've got 20 minutes to go until we arrive at the campsite I looked at in Conflans. The problem is it says it's closed. So I'm hoping they take pity on us and let us in. Or we might just stay in Conflans and do some wild camping. So we could do that. That wouldn't be a bad thing. Obviously, a big shout out to Rob and Lisa. That roast dinner was delicious and well needed. It was nice to have some yummy food. 18 minutes now. 18, even that's your favourite number. 18 minutes to go until we arrive at our campsite. It says it doesn't open for another 2 days. Apparently it opens on the 1st of April. Hi everyone, the plan has changed just slightly, but not too much. Over there, is the campsite that we stayed at when we were here back in August, I think. Yeah, sounds right. But it's shut. It actually opens in 2 days, ready for their season, which is fine. Because we're in France and France encourages tourism, France has provided this large space here, and this is very big, for people to just come and stay in. So if you've got a motorhome and you want to come stay in France, come to a really nice town, picturesque views and all sorts of loveliness, you can come here. It's just free. You probably have 20 motorhomes parked up in this one car park for free. Look, I haven't shown you. Sorry, I missed the most important part. We are on the river. Motorhome, river. Look at this. And this cost us nothing. It's free. Right, so we're gonna get some food because the kids are hungry. Lovely, large roast dinner, but somehow the children seem to burn all energy off. And they weren't playing quite a lot at Rob and Lisa's, so that makes sense. But anyway, right, enough of me talking. We are gonna get some food, and then I'm gonna take the kids for a walk into Conflans. Right everybody, we've left the motorhome. It's in this car park just here, just by the water. And as you just saw, just put the drone up just to show you where we are. The drone was running out of battery, so I couldn't put it up for too long. We're gonna walk into Conflans now and see what we can find. We have been here before. It is a wonderful place. Eva hasn't seen it before, so I thought it'd be nice just to show her. Just wandering through the streets of Conflans. Thought we'd take a different route to last time. So I'm here in Conflans, nearly 6 months after being in Stalingrad, and I must say there are a lot of similarities. The peace, the quiet, and most importantly the bridge and the water. This place is wonderful. Splendid. So as a point of reference, I thought it'd be good to show you, this is the bridge, that's Ethan, and just, you probably can't see it, but just right of that big tree there is the motorhome. That's how close we are, and Eva's trying to jump in. Right, so the kids have had their food. I think I deserve a kebab, or at least something tasty. Yeah. You got a kebab. We're down to the water now and enjoy. Let's go. Right, so here is my kebab. You can't see from there, I'm quite a long way, but you do get to see that beautiful view, hopefully. Whoa, it comes with chips as well. I didn't know that. I got the view of the bridge on my left, which we were just on, and the water down that way. It's amazing. Could come here more often. Good potatoey chips, a bit of crunch on the outside. Tasty. Okay, trying the kebab. That's really good. Really tasty. Wish Jaynie could be here today. A lot of stuff she missed out on. Right, so here, kebab, river, motorhome and bridge. Kids there on the play park and this absolutely delightful weather. What could I ask for other than my dear wife being here? Well, I don't know. This is it. I'm not sure what else I would want. I don't know what the sauce is on this. No idea, but it's delicious. It's time to go back to the motorhome. Oh, I'm full. That was delicious. I'm sure there'll be more space in my stomach though for some yummy food later. So there's the walk we just did into Conflon, and here is the car park and the motorhome. Perfect location. You may have seen in our videos last year that we stayed in this campsite here. I will stick the details down below. Definitely recommend it. It wasn't expensive and the facilities were really good. So although this is a free park up where we are now, I'd have been very happy to stay there if we'd have had the opportunity to. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. Look at this place. So we're now back at the motorhome. Kids' Easter eggs here, courtesy of my mother. Very kind. And Eva's got these as well. Look at those. Time to tidy up now. Eva will be going to bed, won't you, Eva? Yeah, she's nodding. That's good. Very positive. I'll tidy up, get the place ready, and then it'll be time to put everyone to sleep. This place is so beautiful. Like I said, there's going to be a link down below somewhere in the video. But I'd recommend you coming here because it's free. And free is always good. And we will be back in this area as long as Rob and Lisa let us come and see them again. Hopefully. I'm going to put the kids to bed and I'll see you soon. Right everyone, it's now 11 o'clock and I've been doing a bit of work and chilling out this evening. The kids have been in bed. They took so long to go down tonight. They were so hyped up from earlier. It was so good to see Robbie and Angel and they really benefited from that, so that was good. I'm going to go to bed. I'm so tired. Right, up in the morning, shorter drive, more fun. What we'll be doing tomorrow, hopefully, is walking into Conflon, going back in, having a bit of a play on the swings and the slides and stuff, and enjoying ourselves. I'm going to find a boulangerie. Do you think there'll be a boulangerie in Conflon? There must be. Right, good night everyone. Good night.